Lovol Group is a large-scale industrial equipment manufacturing enterprise, primarily specializing in agricultural equipment, construction machinery, vehicles, core components, financial services and other businesses, and also the most successful brand whose business covers agricultural, urban, and rural-urban fringe markets. In 2016, the brand value of Lovol is evaluated as 40.518 billion RMB, ranking 76th among China's 500 most valuable brands. Relying on its excellent scientific and technological innovation, global marketing and service network, and a balanced development of its businesses, Lovol has become a typical representative of the domestic machinery manufacturing enterprises. As domestic leading backbone machinery and equipment manufacturing enterprise, Lovol Group has been committed to providing the best experience for users worldwide by high-performance products. As one of core strategic businesses of Lovol Group, Lovol Construction Machinery business is based in Qingdao with integration of global giant technology resources. It has established global operations centers. It is also the only brand who has established R&D center in Japan with the largest foreign expert team, qualifying itself as an outstanding national brand, running both wheel loader and excavator businesses. In recent 20 years, Lovol has been committed itself to helping customers to succeed, bringing high-quality and high-performance products and services to customers. Based in China, Lovol integrates global supplier resources. Lovol has established a long-term and sound cooperation mechanism with many world-class parts suppliers. Lovol has finished development and upgrading of core parts to ensure our leading position. We have been enriching our products, configuration, and product family. Lovol excavators now range from 1.5 ton to 50 ton class, which are classified into 9 major platforms and 13 product series. Lovol loaders cover products below 8 tons, which are classified into 4 major platforms and 6 product series. Different auxiliary tools can be matched to Lovol products. As a result, our products can meet the demands of different customers. Based on the need of globalized production, Lovol integrates lean production and intelligent technology into the production process, which enables the engineering machinery to realize automation, interconnection, intelligence, machine and material to be intelligent integration, so that production speed, efficiency, and quality is increased unprecedented, creating a unified global standard, high-quality products, production systems for the customers. Continuous improvement of the operation concept and the full operation of intelligent systems can ensure the consistency of the quality of delivery to provide high-quality and reliable engineering machinery products for customers around the world. Seriously survey the market and the needs of users around the world, adhering to the service concept of Lovol Service All My Heart for You, to provide customers with faster, more reliable, more satisfied quality service. Lovol services cover more than 160 countries around the world, with more than 1,550 autonomous service vehicles, more than 2,400 foreign service engineers. Parts logistics are comprehensive covered by highway, railway, aviation. With 1+3+5 service mode, and consider it has duty to serve the global customers to ensure that customer projects can get timely and efficient service and support. Lovol dispatches professional service engineers across the country and the key regions all over the world to give a series of comprehensive training and guidance, such as product debugging, operation, fixing and regular maintenance, so as to provide all-round service supports to ensure the Lovol machinery to create round-the-clock profits for customers constantly. Lovol takes technology creating the future as the corporate mission, integrating the global wisdom, and has developed into the main force in the field of large-scale construction that can support large-scale construction groups at home and abroad to build world-class engineering projects with high reliability and good working conditions. Lovol engineering machinery products are mainly exported to more than 120 countries and regions. Besides that, we have established more than 300 sales channels around the world and formed a 5-in-1 global marketing network that covering the global target market, sales, service, spare part supply, user training, and information feedback included, for providing the system optimization program of the global urbanization construction. Lovol regards globalization as its development objective and improves innovation ability and a marketing service level continuously. Further, to improve and perfect the value chain operating platform within China and abroad, to close to customers, to achieve territorial operations, to improve the customized services, to use more efficient and stable product to pay back for users, and to boost social development. Technology creating the future.